seeking. And this is super high level. You know, there's tons and tons of buyers, but as a general rule, seeking sales of 2 million or more annually. They're looking for shops that have rising or stable sales. And this has really been a hot button over the last, I'm going to say 3, 4, 5 months. And that is because a lot of shops are really suffering with declining sales. In this market, it's everywhere. I see financials from customers all over the United States, and a lot of shops in a lot of regions are really suffering with declining sales, including consolidators. So it's something that they're really focused on. And when you've got, stable sales or increasing sales, man, that makes you look like one hot chick to the consolidators. ICAR Gold. I know a lot of people are like, ICAR Gold is stupid, but to the consolidators, it's all that in a bag of chips, because that's the keys to the kingdom for them to turn on their DRPs. You know what I mean? It's the keys to the kingdom for them. DRP-centric, so if you have DRPs, because again, if they've got to come in, and let's just say your shop is not DRP-centric, and then they've got to come in and retrain all your people, for lack of better words, or change their mind, if you will, about DRPs, because I'm sure if you're not a DRP shop, all you're doing is walking around with your big shirt on saying, I hate DRPs and I hate insurance companies. And there's nothing wrong with that. I'm not here to talk about models, but I can tell you that it's really hard for a consolidator to buy a shop that's not DRP centric, retain all the people, because that's one of the big things that they want are the people, and then, continue marching without losing all the people. DRP-centric operations is also a very key element. Non-owner-led operations. This is always one that blows everybody's mind. So I know when I sold my stores, it was really important to me that the consolidator knew that I was there every day, that I was involved in daily operations, and guess what? That's the last damn thing they want. They want me to have managers running all the stores. They want you to have a manager running your store. Why? Because if you sell, it's super easy. All it is an ownership change. They don't have leadership change. They don't have to find a leader.